Hey guys, Engineer Pat 5290 here, coming to you with the real announcements I have up here. I have a long list on NS. In the previous video, I talked about some recent accidents involving trains and pedestrians. I encourage you to watch that one. But now we're going to talk about some stuff going on NS right now. They have leased more locomotives. They have leased CBFX, XBN, 60M, 6022, and 6025, LTEX, XCSX, XConrail, SD60I, 8739, and PRLX, XCSX, AC6000, 5011. This brings the total number of leased engines to 125. NS 099 was a hospital train run. Was 4 locomotives that were damaged in the head-on collision between NS 175 and M74 with second section of 174 that happened on March the 18th in Georgetown, Kentucky. The units include a BNSF ES44C4 6584, -9Ws 9110, 9523, and ACE 1167. All 4 of these engines will be repaired at Juniata. This was also the wreck that resulted in the retirement of scrapping of the Dash 9 Standard 8798 and AC44 C6M 4063. The 2 SD40-2s involved 3467 and 3482 were in the consist of train 175 but did not sustain any heavy damage, which was a good sign here. Here they also posted a couple of more shots of the 8520. The 8520 looks really, really nice. It was released Friday from Juniata, and it's in the NS special paint scheme to highlight this unit being rebuilt with AC traction. For those who are inquired about the red, it's the same red that was used on SD60E 911 and the GP38-2 5642. Another C6M comes out of East End shops. 4117 X-9 Standard Cab 8797 has been completed and released from Roanoke shops. This unit is here arriving at Altoona yesterday, where it will be repainted at Juniata. And notice the last photo, which shows before and after rebuilding comparison of the front step arrangement. The Dash 9 Standard Cab had 4 steps, and the C6M has 5 steps. So, a little small improvement there for the C6M as well as the inside. So the C6Ms are becoming popular, but there are only about 10 of the Dash 9 Standard Cabs that are left in existence. So if you guys are out on the rails and you happen to see one, you better get your pictures now, because eventually all of those are going to be gone. I hate to really say that, but that's true. So get your pictures of the Dash 9 Standard Cabs while you can, and because eventually they're going to fade into history. So, a lot of good power right now on NS. I've got a lot of nice compilations, even a couple of new locations as well. Seeing a lot of lease power and some Union Pacific. Not seeing as much BNSF as I thought I would. And also, I have seen a little bit of KCS, a couple of the Mexican units, and one of the American engines. And one of those trains had an unusual switcher. That was NS 119. Excuse me. And that is a StarPet wireless remote controlled switcher. I don't know where StarPet is based from, but if anybody knows, please leave a comment in the description box. I'd love to know where they're based at. And it's a wireless switcher, so it's controlled by remote control, which I think is neat. And the paint scheme on it was pretty cool. So I ended up seeing that recently, but of course, it's a lot different than seeing somebody inside the locomotive. But mostly the remote-controlled engines, a lot of people may ask this, they're mostly used in the yard where they're not coming in contact with rail crossings and things like that. So they're just using them around the yard. But a lot of good power out there recently. I've caught some good trucks too. I've did another truck spotting video as well as a Railfane series. But I'm still trying to keep the trucks up there and also keeping the trains and the announcements up there. So get your picture of the standard of the EMD YN2 engines. I'm shifting CSX a little bit. As I said in the last announcement video, please get the pictures of the YN2s because eventually YN2 is going to be a memory as well. So, and I've also heard that CSX did not sell the entire AC6000 fleet. There are a few of them that are still left. Those are rare. They're keeping a few of them just on the roster. But I don't understand why they decided to sell off most of the fleet and just keep only a few of them. So I don't know why, but get those pictures because those are just about a memory. But I do know Union Pacific still has theirs. Don't know much on the CP90 Max on how they're coming along. If anybody has any updates on that, leave a comment here. And also, hold on. I got a little something else here. I will now do a Q&A of questions and answers as well. If you will, please leave a comment here in the description box of the questions that you would like for me to answer. I would be glad to answer them. So just leave your question on the comment on this video, please. Please leave your question in this video, and the answers are going to be revealed in the next video whenever I get a chance to doing that. So anyway, I know it's a long list, but that concludes this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please check out my latest videos as well. And also, please, if you have any questions that you would like for me to answer, leave a comment, leave your question in a comment on this video, please. So anyway, that's all I have for now. I'm Engineer Pat, and I will see you guys on the next rail adventure. Peace out, guys.